How to make sales same size in Google Sheet. So in this video tutorial we're going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Sheet, and you can see we have Google Sheet here. Okay, so for increase or decrease this with the same size of cell or rows, we need to just follow this process. Just hit the any column like this. You just click on this column name, then hit the shift key on your computer, hold it, and now you can select the multiple column, okay, or cell like this. And now what you need to do, just click between, don't click, just take over your cursor between the cell name. Like I just keep the cursor between the C and D, and make sure this symbol visible to you, then click and hold it, and you can drag, you can increase and decrease your cell size with the same cell size like this. Okay, same also you can make this with the rows. Just select the first rows, now hit the shift key and hold it, and select the last rows, and you can increase or decrease the same size at once for multiple cells or rows. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.